Hello everybody and welcome back to Brackets Academy. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can implement an Angular application within a Chrome extension, and this is the final product for today. If we go and click this icon right here, we can see our Angular application working as a Chrome extension. This is pretty easy to do, so if you want to learn how to do this, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and generate our Angular application. So let's do ng new Angular Chrome and wait for that to finish. Now that we have our Angular application generated, we can go into our editor and just edit some stuff, like go into our app.component.html, remove some of this HTML right here, and here welcome to title, we're gonna change that to welcome to, instead of app, welcome to Chrome Angular. We can also serve the application ng-serve and go into our Chrome browser, try and refresh this, and we're getting welcome to Chrome Angular. So in order for us to package this application so it can be distributed like a Chrome extension, we're gonna end this process and we're going to build our Angular application. So let's do this, ng build. So now that we have built our application, you can see that we have a new folder here called dist. So we're going to go inside that folder. So basically in this folder, dist Angular Chrome, it's our entire application. So in order for us to package this as a Chrome application, we need one more file here. So we're going to create a new file. We're going to name it manifest.json. So basically this manifest.json file is what tells Chrome that this is a Chrome extension, and there's a bunch of options inside that we can set up. So let me just copy and paste some of the examples here. So here we have some options like the manifest version, which is version 2. We can give a name to our application, so let's call it Angular Chrome Test App. Some description about your extension, the version of the extension, let's do it 1.0, and the default pop-up. The default pop-up is going to be index.html in our case. Index.html. So this basically tells Chrome, hey, this index.html file is this file that we're serving our application from. So after that we have some permissions. So for example, if you want to have access to the tabs that the user is opening, you will need to specify that permission here, so tabs for example, or something like that. Next we have the content security policy. So here, in order for Angular to work with Chrome, we need to pass another parameter here, which is this unsafe eval. This is the basic options we can put into the manifest.json file. There's obviously a lot of other options. I'll probably put a link down in the description where you can read more about this. And now the last thing is for us to load our extension. Loading the extension is done by going into the Chrome settings, then go to more tools, then extensions. Then we're going to activate the developer mode and then load unpacked. From here we're gonna find our folder, go into our dist folder, go into our Angular Chrome folder and press select. So as you can see, we already loaded our extension, and if we click it, we can see that our extension is working. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you want to learn more about this, I'll have some links down in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.